Today is gonna be a great day. Well, it can't get any worse. Are you kidding me right now? I should have just stayed in bed today. This is not wanted my cake pops! Where are my Starbies?
I can't believe you told everyone about my Sonic Adventure 2 model. This is over!
Ah! Ah!
You thought I forgot about you? Get back in here, boy!
What are you doing? Get him off! Get him off! Get him off me! Enjoy the ants.
You will pay for what you did to Rouge!